In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make italics in Adobe Illustrator step by step. If you've ever tried to italicize text and couldn't find the option, or your font just wouldn't change, this guide will clear everything up. By the end of this video, you'll know how to properly apply italic or oblique styles to your text in Illustrator the right way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Adobe Illustrator guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and either create a new document or open an existing project where you want to edit your text. To make text italic, you need to start by selecting the Type tool. You can find it in the toolbar on the left side of your screen, and it looks like a capital T. You can also press the shortcut key T on your keyboard to select it instantly. Once the Type tool is active, click on your text if you've already typed something. If you haven't created text yet, simply click anywhere on your artboard and type your desired words. After that, click and drag over the text to highlight it, or double-click inside the text box and press Ctrl or Command plus A to select all the text. The key here is making sure the text you want to change is fully selected before applying the italic style. Now that your text is selected, the next step is to open the Character panel. This is where you control font styles, sizes, spacing, and more. To open it, go to the top menu. Click on Window, then hover over Type, and choose Character from the drop-down list. The Character panel will appear, usually on the right-hand side of your workspace. If your workspace is set to Essentials or Typography, you might already see it visible. Inside the Character panel, look for the Font Style drop-down. This is typically located just below the font family name. For example, if you're using a font like Arial, you'll see options such as Regular, Bold, Italic, or Bold Italic depending on what the font supports. Click on the Font Style dropdown and then choose Italic. In some fonts, the option may be labeled Oblique instead of Italic. Both create a slanted text effect, so either one will work depending on the font. As soon as you click Italic or Oblique, you'll see your selected text update instantly on the artboard. That's it. Your text is now italicized properly using the font's built-in style. Now here's something important to keep in mind. Not all fonts include an italic or oblique version. If you click the font style dropdown and don't see an italic option, that means the font you're using doesn't support it. In that case, you'll need to switch to a different font family that includes an italic variation. Simply click the Font Family dropdown at the top of the Character panel and choose another font that offers italic or oblique in its style options. Also, try to avoid manually skewing text using the Shear tool to fake italics. While that might visually slant the text, it doesn't produce true typographic italics and can sometimes look unprofessional. Always use the proper font style option whenever possible. And that's how you make italics in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. Select the Type tool, highlight your text, open the Character panel through Window, Type, Character, and choose Italic or Oblique from the Font Style dropdown. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.